Good morning, everybody. Today is Tuesday, June 2nd. Can you believe it? I can't believe it. We are now on the second day of June in our last week of school. I apologize that yesterday's morning meeting video had no sound. I got a new computer yesterday and didn't check the settings of the movie recorder I use, and the microphone wasn't turned on. And it was the first time I didn't watch my recording after I did it. So I apologize, but we've got it going today. We're going to go through all of our activities. We are going to talk about Virtual Field Week. How many of you have heard of Virtual Field Week? I sent it out last week. It is a bunch of activities that Ms. Hinckley, our phys ed teacher, Ms. Yamashiro, the Cascade Brook phys ed teacher, and Mr. Kelly, the phys ed teacher over at Cushing and Academy Hill, have put together. I made it an activity in our Seesaw library, which is super exciting. And there's a video that they made to show examples of all the different events. My girls and I did the pillowcase race yesterday. Well, actually, my girls did it. And I videotaped it, and I put it on our class Facebook page if you want to check it out. And Miss Hinckley would love it if you sent any videos. So you can add pictures or videos to the Seesaw activity, and I can send them to Miss Hinckley, or you can send them to Miss Hinckley straight yourself. Either way works, okay? But let's take a look at today's activities. I'm going to make myself a little smaller. There we go. So we have our morning meeting math. The number of the day is 50. Okay, so 10 more, 10 more down here, 10 less, 1 more, 1 less, 1 more. And how many 10s does 50 have? How many 1s? And then press that microphone and count for me starting at 84 to 93. Here's the poem of the week. The last days of first grade. Pretty fitting poem for this week. I'm glad I was your teacher. I've come to love you so. I can't believe the end is here. I hate to see you go. Remember all the fun we had and all the things we did. But most of all, remember, you're a very special kid. And today's poem of the week activity is rhyming. Ms. Lander made a video, the butterfly emerges. Can you believe it? I can't believe it. Watch that video and then record your voice answering the questions she's asking you. Now, I sent out on Friday a graphic of this week, everything that was scheduled for this week. And I don't have it pulled up, but maybe I'll find it. And this coming Thursday at 1 o'clock, Ms. Lander is doing a Zoom with the whole first grade. Anybody in first grade is invited to watch the release of the butterflies that she's had and been making these videos on, which is so cool. So on Friday, I sent home in the inbox, in your Seesaw inbox, in parents and students inbox, I believe, the graphic of the lineup for the week, but also all the meeting ID and passwords you need for yesterday's Zoom, for tomorrow's library Zoom, and then on Thursday there is your butterfly release Zoom, there is your last art Zoom, and Thursday night at 5:30, I'm going to make myself big, I really want you to hear this. Thursday night at 5:30 is our last class Zoom. It's so sad. But I have something extra special for you. I have been working on a slideshow from pictures from the first day of school and all the way through March 13th when we were there, including some videos of things we did. Plus, I'm including any pictures that I've been getting during this remote learning time, including any Flat Teacher Bitmoji adventure pictures. So if you're still taking adventures with me, and I hear stories that you are, take those pictures and send them to me because I want to add them to the slideshow, okay? You have until probably Wednesday night, because Wednesday night I'll be finishing up the slideshow. So tomorrow night. So get me these pictures, okay? Because I want to add them. And please don't miss Thursday night's Zoom. I'm really excited to share the slideshow with you guys. All right, let's look. All right, and I'm going to go over yesterday's activities since you couldn't hear me in yesterday's morning meeting. So you have your making words, poem of the week, morning meeting math, and here is virtual field week. I want you to see this. So if I pull it up, this YouTube link right here will bring you to the video that I was telling you about that Miss Hinckley, Miss Yamashiro, and Mr. Kelly made. And if I click View Original, I can make this PDF that tells you all the different events bigger. So I'm going to do that. I'm going to click View Original, and look how big it gets. Super awesome. And you can do that too. So here are the different events you can do. There's 8 total. So you could do 1 a day and 3 days that have 2. Or you can do 2 or 3 a day and take a day off. I mean, you could try to do them all in one day, but I like to spread out the fun. So yesterday, my girls did the pillowcase races. I'm not sure what we're going to do today. We're going to save the water balloon toss and the sponge relay for Friday, though, because Friday is supposed to be the warmest day. So that's when we have decided in our house to do those ones. But here are the different ones. The pillowcase races, the water balloon toss, the wet sponge relay, the alphabet scavenger hunt, sock skee ball, frisbee knockdown, keep it up, crab soccer, toilet paper relay, wheelbarrow walk. That's it. So these all have descriptions and explain exactly what you need to play. But watch the video if you want some more information. They do an amazing job in that video. And they show you different things you could use if you don't have the materials you think you need. There's a lot of materials around your house that you could use, okay? I'm going to show you one more thing. I'm going to bring you into, I want to talk about this actually. This I just sent out last night. So Mrs. Hallman, our school nurse, is retiring. And we usually do some pretty big things for our teachers and nurses that retire, but because we can't be at school right now, we have to make it extra special in a different way. So if you would like to draw her a picture or write her a note or a letter, have mom or dad take a picture of it, or if you can, take a picture of it and give it to me in Seesaw, and I'll make sure she gets it. I promise. But I'm going to need it by Thursday, okay? But please, please do it. Mrs. Hallman would love it. All right. Oh my God. I got kicked out of Seesaw. Hold on 1 second. Here it is. All right. So our last week of school, Monday was yesterday. We had our class Zoom. I did the morning meeting and read aloud videos, and we had Seesaw activities. And today we have morning meeting and read aloud videos and Seesaw activities. Tomorrow, morning meeting and read aloud videos, Seesaw activities, and you have your last library Zoom. Thursday is the big day where we have the videos, still the Seesaw activities, but we have the butterfly Zoom release, your last art Zoom, and our final class Zoom. And then Friday, you have some morning meeting and read aloud videos and Seesaw activities. Don't forget about Virtual Field Week, which is what I just explained. Take pictures or videos of you guys doing it. Again, I'm doing it with my girls and putting them on our class Facebook page. And then this is also, take a watch. It is all of our teachers at school telling you guys how much we all miss you. Oops, so much. We all miss you so much. And that video is also on our class Facebook page. All right, I hope you guys have a wonderful Tuesday. Bye.